Hi guys, let's get started with Ember CLI. As an Ember developer, we are going to install Ember CLI. Current version is 3.18 at the moment. To install Ember CLI, we need npm package manager. Let's just start the terminal. Small fonts. Da, 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 da. Let's increase it. Do I have Ember already installed? No. Okay. I do have npm version 6.14 installed and I do have yarn 1.22. I like yarn over npm as it's fast, but you can use npm or yarn, whatever you like, for installing the Ember package. I'm installing Ember CLI as global package, so I can use it from anywhere. It can take some time depending upon the internet speed and your computer specifications. So, all right, we are done. It's installed. We can check which version of Ember it's installed. I got Ember 3.18. Nice. Let me go to a folder where I'll try to keep all the working files or the videos for making these video series for you guys. Ember init first project. Yikes. Oh, I don't have a package file. As init adds it to into a existing project. For new project, type new first project. Oh, I made a mistake, wrong spelling. Okay. Npm can take time, lots of packages. Looks done. Let's go to the folder and see the files. I can see we have package lock file. I think I have mentioned I will use yarn. Let me quickly remove this project and create a new with yarn. Now yarn is installing these packages. We do have our folder ready. Let's go inside. See, these are all the files we have, and I can see yarn.log is here and no package log file. Now this is how we start Ember server. Ember serve. First run can take some time. It's a normal behavior. Mm, okay, it started. Now go to the browser and visit localhost 4200 and we are live. Let's quickly check our Ember Inspector. We do have Ember version 3.18.1 installed. Guys, sorry for that notification for the disturbance. I'm new to video making and didn't know I can set that to do not disturb mode. Let's restart the server. We can also use Ember S as a shortcut and can see it's working. I have opened Visual Studio Code. Let me arrange my windows so you can see things better. Here and here. That developer console is taking much space. Let's adjust it. You can open the console by pressing escape key if you are on some other tab in the developers tool. Let's go to VS Code and see what we got here. This is index HTML. This is the base file which will load Ember project. Let me quickly turn on screencast mode to show you which key combination or shortcuts I am using right now. Good, it's working. Here is the code which is presented in the browser right now. Welcome page is a component which comes by default and you can remove it without any hesitation. Saving the file will auto reload Ember application in the browser. You can write standard HTML tags like headings, paragraph, and when you save it, it will auto reload the application. Now I undo everything and properly remove this welcome page component from the package. In package JSON file, you will see Ember welcome page package is installed. In VS Code, I have opened the terminal using the shortcut. As I do have terminal inside Visual Studio Code, I don't really need that external terminal running and can run Ember server from within the Visual Studio Code. Let's turn off Ember server and close the terminals. In VS Code, I split the terminal and in the left, I started the Ember server. And on the right, I'm going to remove that package from package.json using yarn command. Yarn remove Ember welcome page and enter. It did remove the package, but now my Ember server is crashed as whole package is removed and there is no welcome page component available. Let's quickly restart Ember server and we are again running. An error. Uh, Cannot find component welcome page. We do have used this component in the template and we can fix the issue by just removing it from the template. It's running without any errors right now. And I'm going to add some HTML tags. Ember components are same as HTML tags with only one difference. They start with capital character like W of welcome is capital and it must be two words like we do have welcome page. It also supports block tags and self-closing tags to present components. We will discuss them later, like standard HR or BR tags, self-closing tags. And now that's what Ember CLI is used for, creating new projects in Ember and how Ember components are used. Okay guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for my next video. I hope you would like that. Please subscribe and hit like. Thank you.